Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the display refresh rate on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. For that, you want to go to your settings, go to display and then scroll down to refresh rate, and here you have standard and here you can see the high one. I don't know if you see a difference right now. I don't really see a difference, I think. Right now the refresh rate is set to default, which is recommended. Adjust the refresh rate dynamically based on scenarios to balance performance with power consumption. Or you can say custom, prefer selected refresh rate, and now you can choose between 60 and 120. So you can say 60 and then go back, and then we can scroll up and down. And when we go back and set it to 120, it looks a lot smoother, I think. When we go back again and set it to default again, then the phone will automatically change like the refresh rate based on what you're looking at. Keep in mind that with a higher refresh rate, your battery probably will drain faster, but it also looks a lot smoother. With the standard one or the 61, it might not look as smooth as with the higher one, but depends on how much it actually bothers you on your day-to-day life. So that's how you can customize the refresh rate on your Xiaomi 13 Lite. Hope you liked it. Would help if so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.